Welcome back to the garage, sidewalk, driveway. Working on the Accent, Elantra. Honda Accent. We're doing some struts. Duralast. Already sprung. Fronts and rears. I already got the wheels off. Y'all seen me take wheels off before. Got a little tool layout. Just gonna be using number 10, a 12, 13, the 14, and a 17, and also a 5mm Allen wrench for this guy. Tie rod. What was that? No, sway bar end link. We're only gonna take off this one. You gotta hold this part and then wrench it out. I'm only gonna do one of the fronts and one of the rears because they're basically the same thing on both sides. Next, you gotta take this line off, brake line. It's a 12mm. You gotta take off this ABS sensor. It's a 10mm. Another 10mm. We'll go ahead as far as taking out the sensor. Next, we're gonna do the 17s down here. $12mm. That's it. Now when you pull these out of the boxes, the one is a right, one is a left. This one right here has a part number with the R. That one has an L for right and left, or you can just compare them. That one matches up. It's gonna be like a mirror. So it mirror itself. So with this guy, you know the situation. And then has the lean. Looks the same. So having an issue getting this one, the new one in. That's because the top hats. The one on the right needs to rotate, or is rotated left. It's got this. This guy's pointing. The OEM one is pointing this way. This one's pointing this way, if you can see it. So I need to rotate this guy to point down that way. So probably just rotate it and then drop it in. All right. You got the bolts? All right. Slide it up and put bolts on top. That's easy. So you can just start it. Just holds it. go up from a 12 to a 13. The top's in. Put the sway bar end link back on. Bolts back in. Now an alignment will be needed. You know that right now?
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, alignments will be needed.
But I don't know if that's gonna fix my alignment. You know what I mean?
Well, it's better than. Well, we took your struts apart, so you are gonna need one.
I know that. That's why I'm not going in tomorrow. For work tomorrow afterwards, I'm gonna go in.
Alright.
The schedule goes up on Monday anyways.
Yeah.
I know that, Dad. This was Grandma's umbrella, Dad. I love it so much.
No, same. So it utilizes all the same hardware. Good. This one back here is also a 17. Did better. Blown. Definitely blown.
Seriously? Let me see.
Oh, yeah, you can just push it. That's all it takes.
Oh shit.
14. Wow, that's so easy. The springs, I mean, I don't know.
You think you could just push it up and
Well, you just pop them out.
struts would matter more, right?
Yeah. I don't know, I don't think these ever lose
No.
their spring. You get thicker springs, but carry a lot of weight back here.
Yeah, it's always the primary.
Because it carries the weight of the engine.
The impacts and stuff.
Yeah, 17. That's not a shootout.
Yeah, but never.
The same order. I don't know what the other ones are, just bare, right? Yeah. These are just bare.
Bare ass.
So take this, put it over here. Well, yeah, because that's your dust boot. You have to put it on. If not, this is going to be exposed and it's going to get a whole bunch of dirt stuff on it. And this guy goes back on it. Like that. wasn't on there very tight to begin with.
Oh, Jesus.
So, yeah. Yeah.
Let me see that.
That's how quick that went. Takes forever to come out. So it really wasn't. This one you actually had to push pressure. This one you just did. So quick comparison. So, so yeah, these are done. You're done. No. 14 mils. Oh, this is 17. And after that, tighten it up, put the wheels back on, do the same to the other side, same thing with the front. I'm not gonna do it, but y'all get the point. So yeah, do it in your driveway. It's only been, shoot, maybe an hour or less, but it took me a while to set up. Follow those steps, you knock yours out in a weekend, a day. You don't have to pay some high prices. See you on the next one there. And all the part numbers are going to be in the description below. It is an AutoZone affiliate link, so go check it out and see you on the next one.